Troy University's Opera Workshop put on quite a show for the community this past weekend. Morgan Ealy has the story.
Students in Dr. Sarah Wee's opera class performed ballad operas including No Song, No Supper, The Beggar's Opera, and Love in a Village. Opera Workshop offers a blend of musical theater components such as singing, acting, and dancing. According to director Dr. Sarah Wee, the Opera Workshop is attracting students not only from the theater, but from all across campus.
It's not just music majors anymore, which I think is the biggest thing with OpShop, is that anybody can come and anybody can enjoy it.
Wee says Opera Workshop helps shine light on an area of musical art that is less recognized.
We call it the great-grandparent of musical theater. So it is singing while you're acting and dancing and walking and moving. So it's kind of a mix of everything, all in one.
Aspects of romance, comedy, and even heartache were just some of the recurring themes during the performance.
I was so happy to play a funny role where I could just be pregnant the whole time. And there was a lot of fighting in between our characters. So it's just that excitement to be angry and to be sad.
Tori Henson, a junior who performed alongside Fox, encourages students to join Opera Workshop in the spring.
Because it's fun and it's stress relieving, and with the mix of other classes going on, it's just something that gives my brain a break and just allows me to do what I love, which is singing and performing.
Morgan Ealy, Troy, TrojanVision News.
This semester marks the 8th semester since Opera Workshop first started here at Troy. Opera Workshop will also be putting on a full show in the spring semester. Keep an eye out on their Instagram at Troy University Music.